I got the Zobie box right here. We're gonna open it up and see what we got. Tissue paper. We got a nice little pin here. I haven't watched Glass yet, but I saw the last one, which was Split. And this is a nice pin to have. I'm not really into pins unless it's horror, but that's a cool one. We have a nice art print. Hellboy, black and white. I mean, you could have got the colored one, but we get these nice little signatures by the guy who does it. You know, it's pretty cool. This is my first ever time getting Zobie box, and I am really impressed by all this. And oh my god, this is why I got the box, because I love Jackass, and oh my god, we got Bam Margera's signature. This is by far the best fucking box I've ever gotten. Because I love Bam Margera. And I'm glad I got the movie poster, like the first one, because that is pretty awesome. And then we got, hang on, let me put this down. This requires 2 hands. Is a Captain Marvel star, you know, the one that she wears on her chest. It's pretty fucking heavy. And I like that too, it comes with a little card. It's pretty awesome. Thank you, Zobie. That was a pretty fucking awesome box. I do things myself. Hang on here, let me get the card of what we could have gotten. I'm glad, like, too. It's not even on here, the one I got. Yeah. It's a pretty cool box. If you want to buy this box, I'm going to put the link down below. Check it out. Alright. Peace out. Thank you.